What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Hopefully I'm not pissing anybody off by just saying guys. Hopefully not. But what is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Today is some random day, don't even know, but today we're heading up to the Poconos of Pennsylvania to fish with Josh from Pocono Outdoors Guy. But the thing is, he also made a new channel. It's called Fish Fever with Josh Taylor. I want you guys to go check out both their channels. If you haven't subscribed yet, please show them some love because they post some good fishing content. Definitely want to check that out. I'll leave a card above and something in the description, of course, something at the end as well in the cards if you make it that far, hopefully. But today we're going to do some native and wild trout fishing. There'll be some stockies mixed in probably, but we're going to target some brook trout and some wild browns. And I mean, there's probably wild rainbows somewhere in there. Hopefully we catch those, but it'll mostly be stockies if I do catch those. Early in the morning, we're actually going to target stripers on the boat, but it's kind of hit or miss, so I don't know if we'll be able to make a video from that. Should definitely be able to make one from the trout. Hopefully you guys like trout in summer, because I sure do. I love brook trout. Haven't targeted them in 2 years. Really want to get back out there, and I'm really excited to do it. So let's get out there. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please stay tuned, because it's going to be great. Oh my god. I'm scared that I'm going to spook these guys like first cast. I didn't cast at the ones I saw, which sucks. Oh, I have it. Shoot. The brookie, if they're in there, they're going to crush it. Oh my god, I got to go quick picture and just like toss them in. Sorry. It's a decent one. I guess I'm just going to have to toss it in. Oh man, I feel bad about that, but
it's not a bad one though. Look at that thing. It's not a bad one.
That is a good one. And he smoked it, didn't he?
Oh yeah, he smashed it. It's probably like my personal best brookie, like native brookie.
That's it.
And I caught it with the no.
Wait,
I want you in it.
Oh, that's a stocky.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
How's that possible?
That is a stocky. Unless he's like really just been messed up because he's been sitting in there, but that really looks like a stock, like messed up lips, messed up fins. What? Do you know what the creek name is?
No.
No clue? What? That confuses me. The one I caught was definitely native. The one I caught was definitely like a wild native one, but that's weird. That's really weird. Oh my gosh, they're going crazy for the worm. Oh my gosh, look how cute this one is.
Yeah, you can release it pretty good over here.
This one's like 3 inches. Yep. Wow. That's awesome. Yo, thank you for taking me. That's awesome.
Yeah, exactly in the shade.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I missed it a little bit because I'm just using weightless. Oh, here one comes. That's brookie. Guys, holy shit, look at this. This is
dark.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Well, I'm gonna pour some water on my hands, just keep them a little bit wet. Got him? Like, oh, yeah.
No, like I
Oh. Some of those are really weird. I think there's quite a bit of chubs. Oh, there comes a brookie. Oh, nice one, smoked it.
Nice, dude. That's good again.
Oh my gosh.
I saw that. The first chub?
No, it's a brookie.
Oh, it's a brookie?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow, okay.
See, with these bigger hooks, they just can't swallow it, really. Guys, look how gorgeous these little guys are. Okay, we're gonna drop them over the side. I'm really... How are they so... These guys are like aren't afraid of anything. I'm like not a chub magnet.
All I was catching was chubs, and you got the brookie game on.
Like, look at that. Look at that tiny little fish. I'm good at catching them. Not releasing. Like, look at these.
See, like, I like the dorsal.
Yeah, that's so cool. I want to make sure. And
Ready to be caught.
if this was the place I would, they would have all been spooked by now. All of them. This is crazy. I can't believe. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Just a tiny little brookie.
There's like 20, 30 fish down there.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
Thanks for the fun, trouts.
Woo! It's like 12, 13 inches. Not bad.
Let's see if I can see anything on the other side.
Okay, well, I'll try flicking this under there. I should probably upsize the worm, but
Bow. No.
brookie. It is a brown. It is a rainbow. Sorry. Ugh. I cannot handle trout today. Got one. Oh, it's a beautiful little brown.
Oh, nice.
Look at that.
Buttered.
See you later, buddy. I've caught what I call the trout slam.
There you go, dude.
The brook, brown, and rainbow.
Yep.
As much as I love wilderness trout fishing, it's a pain in the bum.
We're doing it now.
Yep. Oh yeah, this looks juicy. Do you know what creek this is? Oh, it is a boat. Okay. Oh yeah, because of the spillway. Oh, there's the hook under my shirt. Did I get him? Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, I just spooked him. Oh, I lost it.
Yeah, you lost it. No. Plenty of out
Dude, it was like I think it was a brookie.
I think so. Honestly. Yeah.
Oh, buddy there wanted it.
From the bottom now,
Maybe.
Oh, one's chasing it.
Oh, I see him. I see him. Did he get it?
Yeah, I think he has it.
It looks tiny though.
I think he has it. Maybe not.
No, he does. Got him.
Yeah, he does.
Hope he did brown.
Brown?
I hope he didn't. No, he didn't swallow it. That's good. Sweet. Okay, now that we're here, I can wet my hands. Sweet little buttery browns.
Look how yellow it is.
Yeah, I love that. Sweet.
Nice releases.
That's awesome. I need. See the spot that I fish, you know, for wild brown.
I'm bummed out we didn't get striped this
It's okay. No, it's brown. Oh, it is a brookie, I think. Yeah, it is.
one.
Oh, it's a rainbow. No way.
Is it a wild rainbow?
It better not be. No, it's a stocky. That's the smallest stocky you've ever seen.
Wow. How do you know it's stocked?
Look at that top fin.
Is that a clip?
No, it's not. It's weird. It's not like clipped, but it turns out they don't clip fish. They're in the raceways. You know, like the raceways, and they just get gnarled down like that.
Interesting. But definitely not a native.
Definitely not native. That's the smallest rainbow I've caught, though.
PB smallest rainbow?
PB. I like to call it personal least. Yes.
Personal least.
Personal. Look at that, guys. Tiny little rainbow. Not wild, but it's still really cool. Send him on his way, but. Look at that.
Would have been really cool to have an underwater release for that.
Mm-hmm. You know, my Hero 5 can go underwater, but yeah. Yeah, I just got smashed. Yee! Brown.
Salmon.
It's a salmon. Yeah, if they had stocked them, nah, this still would look like a brown. A baby salmon. Cool. In fact, ooh, I caught a wild brown before, and it looked so much like a salmon. Like, it looked almost exactly like one. In fact, I will get underwater with that one. Oh, that failed. Whatever. That failed horribly.